Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is mynydd, which means mountain. Mynydd, as in, dwi'n cerdded ar y mynydd. I'm walking on the mountain. Mynydd, mountain.